viewers! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I'm Sir Marvin Clint Del Valle, and right now I'm currently employed at Naga College Foundation Incorporated as a senior high school instructor. So ngayon I was invited by the current term of the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga to share my experience when I was a member of the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga. So yeah, what really inspired me to join the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga, hindi naman siya sobrang inspiring like any other people kasi during the time it was pandemic, and of course since there are a lot of people needing help, and of course people are tapping in different organizations to help their communities, I had a friend, si Sir Jack Bala, na siya yung isa sa mga nag-convince sa akin during the pandemic era na to join the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga. When I joined the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga, it was a transition from Serve to Change Lives and Imagine Rotary na third. So, ayan, during the pandemic era, we're tasked to really provide linkages, look for donors, and look for beneficiaries ng mga communities na kung saan they are heavily struck during the pandemic era. And how did it help me as a member of Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga? It helped me boost, number one, my confidence kasi I really lack in those areas. But thankfully, being in RAC, it gave me a boost. It gave me confidence also to socialize with other people, and also for me to be immersed to the different needs of the community. And of course, aside from that, meron din mga times na hindi ako active physically because it's the pandemic era. But I made it a point that for me to help also in the organization, naging active naman ako sa virtual world, sa social media, sa lahat ng platforms, para at least hindi mawalan ng sense o hindi mawalan ng saysay yung pagiging member ko ng Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga. Kaya so yan guys, I'm inviting you to dare to create the magic, be one of us in the magical term of the Rotary Club of Ateneo de Naga.